The newly signed Electoral Act continues to generate controversies. Parliament is dissatisfied with the High Court in Abia State, which ordered the Attorney General to delete Section 8412 of the Act, which states that no political appointee at any level shall be a voting delegate or be voted for at the convention or congress of any political party for the purpose of the nomination of candidates for any election. Lawmakers view this as a breach of privilege and question why the National Assembly was not copied in the suit.
The Constitution was talking about employed public servant or civil servant in federal appointment or in civil or in state appointment. The court cannot interpret what the legislators do not intend. And our intention here was only to address the issue of political appointees.
I had expected that whatever that the judiciary would do is to interpret, and in the course of interpretation, can still refer back to the National Assembly to say, please, do this, but not asking that the executive to do the job of the National Assembly.
Members of this institution must rise against this aberration. We are not only lawmakers, we must be custodians of laws.
Punctuation.
The Speaker guides the House to take a stand on the matter.
You cannot touch a piece of legislation unless it is done by those who have the constitutional authority to do so. I will appeal from here that the Attorney General should stop and desist for now and not foreclose the constitutional right of appeal and allow the law to be settled.
Leader of the Senate.
Meanwhile, in the Senate, the debate continues from the previous day, as senators told the line of the Green Chamber to file an appeal.
The Senate finally believes further that letting the judgment to go without concern will become a precedent on which any person could go to the court and obtain judgment to ridicule the good intentions of the National Assembly as an institution.
Senate resolves to appeal the judgment in suit marked FHC UMC CS 26/2022 for the court to set aside the judgment.
The National Assembly questions the grounds on which the judgment was given and why it was done far away from the Federal Capital Territory where the main parties are based. Terry Ikumi, Channels Television News.